It's Random Buzz, and today we are going to unbox GoPro Hero 10. So this is going to be my new daily driver. So I have ordered the bundle pack from Amazon.com. So we have got a mic adapter, USB-C mic adapter from GoPro, and it costs around 4,500 in Indian rupees. And we have 64 GB SanDisk Extreme memory card. So usually it's advisable to use SanDisk Extreme Pro. So we'll order a new memory card soon. So we're going to unbox GoPro Hero 10. So what we have to see is the Indian version. We'll have an official hologram, official product of India. So without this hologram you will not get the warranty in India. So the second thing, there will be a warranty sticker. So you have to register in GoPro luxury period, personified.co in. So these are two things you have to ensure before opening. Next, let's open the package. So the GoPro Hero 10 comes with its own casing. So this is the official casing that is shipped with the GoPro. So let's see what's inside. So this is the unboxing. On the top you have got some pamphlets, a to-do book, a quick guide on how to insert. Next, we have a casing, we have GoPro battery, a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and a GoPro clip mounts. So we have two mount, okay, actually one mount along with it. And we have the camera itself, GoPro Hero 10. So as you all know, we have a front small 1-inch display and a rear 3-inch display. So let's unbox. So that was satisfying. So here you go.